Okay, now I've cleared this area of weeds. Some of them I've actually, the ones that weren't seeding or flowering, I've actually dug into the soil because it's just like green manure. But I just want to focus on this soil. This is a veggie mix that we put in maybe, I think it's about 3 years ago now. And it's because we use biochar, you know, our Charlie charcoal, and a kaolin clay, and a mixture of silts and sands as well as compost. It's really built up nicely, so we don't really have to put a lot into the soil now. It's really a case of topping up the nutrition and topping up a bit of the organic matter every couple of seasons. So it's what I'm going to grow here. I'm going to extend this broccoli bed, so I'm going to put another succession of broccoli in here. So really I've just fluffed the soil up a little bit. I don't want to dig it too much because air in the soil is really important. And the next I'm going to use a fertilizer. This is a mixture of minerals that I put together just to really increase the nitrogen in the soil and the phosphorus and especially calcium as well. So, and a range of trace elements. So I just want the broccoli to grow, you know, nice and strong. So I'm just going to really coat it over, just really dust it like icing sugar more or less over the whole area, and then I'll rake it in and give it a good watering and then put my seedlings in. So